Good morning, it is day 23 and also like 7 in the morning because we gotta get this uHaul back. So this is where I was sleeping tonight. Yes, a little bit cold, but this time my sleeping bag actually held together, so it wasn't extremely cold, not worse than in a tent. But yeah, let's get this all packed up, some breakfast, and then let's return this baby. So this is where I had my first breakfast in Canada in 2012. Then there should be the motel. This is the motel we slept in the first night in Canada in 2012. That was 7 years ago. Alright, so this is the final destination for us with that thing. Then we're gonna bike to the Sandman Hotel by bike. That should be another couple of kilometers, and then now we're in Calgary. And now this trip is coming to an end. But if I'm honest with you, I'm already happy to get back home. It's been like 2 months since I was home. So yeah. I'm waiting for you, my bed. So I'm at a Safeway here. My parents just walked in to buy some food, and everybody's walking by looks at me like I'm some kind of unicorn because I got the fully packed bike. Yeah, the mentality here in Canada, and I guess what we experienced in the US last year isn't really, they aren't really used to these kinds of tour bikings. So we're at the hotel at Sandman Hotels again, and first there was a slight miscommunication because we got the room 246 instead of 426 that we should have gotten, so I walked right into someone else's room. Understandably she didn't quite like that, so we had to go down to get the real room for us, but the key still worked, so I have no idea what they were up to. So, oh, my hair looks really fancy. So we don't have a microwave at home. I know, right? That's the first thing I'm gonna buy when I move to Vancouver. No, but that means that we haven't usually eaten many of these microwavable food thingies. So we bought one at Walmart to check how they taste. Yeah, we're kind of spicing it up with a little more Parmesan, with some more cheese that we had. But yeah. I'm a little bit excited, and it kind of looks worse than I expected, but what do you want to do, huh? Now it's dinner time. At least it seems like a lot, so won't go hungry tonight. Also, there's a gym and a pool in here, so that's great. Alright guys, that was it for today. Turns out the gym was really small, but that was okay, I guess. Tomorrow we still have the bikes, so we'll check out Calgary by bike a little. And yeah, it's also really dark again. That's always how I end these days, sadly. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.